Hey guys, Dave here, and we're going to talk about what it costs to create your home transformation for you and your family in New Jersey. I'm Dave Pangione of Pangione Developers. You may have seen our video channel hosting over 1,000 home transformation videos, all filmed on location in New Jersey. If you live in New Jersey and you and your family are in need of more space, right now we're going to discuss how much it costs to create your home transformation for you and your family. I get calls each and every day from families throughout New Jersey that are trying to find out how the process works, how to get started, where to go, and what they need to know in order to get a home transformation underway. And that's what this video is going to be about right now. So let's start off with a couple of examples of customers that I've recently completed home transformations for. And let's start with this particular home. This home that I'm showing you right now was a small little 1,200 square foot Cape Cod located in Bergen County, New Jersey. They hired us to develop the entire home transformation. The home was just a simple little Cape Cod. Right now we transformed it from 1,200 square feet to over 4,000 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Take a look around on this particular home. We went out, we went up, the whole first floor was transformed, and in the end, we had the CO for this particular family, and they moved right in. The house was painted, the floors were finished, everything was customized according to exactly the way that they wanted it completed. Let's take a look at this example. This is a 1,600 square foot ranch home transformation in northern Bergen County. This young family was growing. They needed a bigger home. They purchased a fixer-upper. The whole house needed to be transformed. They hired us, Pangione Developers, and we took care of the whole process from beginning to end. In the end, we added a top floor. We gutted and created an open floor concept on the first floor, transformed the entire walkout basement, and we have a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, complete transformation. This home looks amazing. Take a look at some of the shots here. We have the first floor. We have a giant master bedroom, bathroom suite upstairs with an open foyer, and the outside was modernized with hardy plank, decorative stone. We did the driveway, retaining walls. It came out amazing. So if you want more examples, we have a video channel on YouTube with over 1,000 home transformation videos, all filmed on location in New Jersey. But let's get to your home and your home transformation for your family. You want to know how to get the process going. You want to know where to get started, how to get funding, and what the price costs for your transformation. Okay, so we're going to put 2 questions up in the corner here. The first question is, are you a family that's located in New Jersey and you're in need of more space? That's the first one. The second question that we're going to put right over here is, are you a family looking for a fixer-upper, a home that you want to purchase and make your own? So to get pricing for the 2 particular items mentioned above, all you have to do is email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Again, info@pangionedevelopers.info. It's all right across here. info@pangionedevelopers.info. Put it to my attention, Dave Pangione, and what you're going to do is email myself, and then I will respond to you and your questions about your family's concerns about adding and getting more space, about a home transformation for a fixer-upper, and we will get you out pricing within 24 hours. We'll provide pricing and full itemized list of what it would cost for your particular home transformation in New Jersey. Okay, so let's again recap. If you're a family in need of more space and a family that's looking to purchase a fixer-upper on a Cape Cod, a ranch, a split level, a bi-level, or even a colonial style home, email us to my attention, Dave Pangione, at info@pangionedevelopers.info, and then we can get the ball rolling. We'll have pricing for you and your family within 24 hours on turnkey packages, painted, floors finished, designed, built. We handle everything. So again, we're going to make this as easy as possible for you and your family to get the ball rolling. Email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Put it to my attention, Dave Pangione, and within 24 hours, we're going to have pricing for you and your family. Just email us. We'll send you back a list of questions, and then from there, we'll have pricing within 24 hours. Again, I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, again, info@pangionedevelopers.info. You could also call us at 201-774-3733. Again, our number one more time, 201-774-3733. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Dave Pangione.